This AI tool changed my life, and I'm going to explain how you can use it too. So you're a fairly successful video editor and you start building up a client list, and before you know it, you are running out of time because video editing is such a time-intensive service. You know, to edit a good video can take 10, 20, even 30 hours of work. And as my client list was filling up, I was looking for ways to cut down the amount of time spent on editing because it was just becoming this huge cost and this huge labor. Now, at the same time in the digital world, AI was becoming a thing. This was about 6 months ago. And I was like, what if AI could edit my videos for me? Imagine going out, filming your videos, ingesting them onto your computer, and then just clicking one button and boom, a finished product arrives back in your export folder. That would be amazing, right? That would save us loads of time, that would save us loads of money, our clients would be really happy. Amazing. So while a lot of people pushed back against AI, especially in the creative world, I decided to dive headfirst into the world of AI. Now, I started my journey with Chat GPT, which is a great tool for script writing and SEO and video descriptions, but I couldn't actually get it to edit video for me because it's just a text tool. It wouldn't do that for me. And I kept researching and I was trying Premiere Pro's inbuilt AI tools like text editing, which was great, but again, not quite the thing I was looking for. Now, what Firecut is able to do is essentially the job of a junior editor. It can build you a skeleton edit. Let me explain. The first tool in Firecut I use is when I drag and drop my talking head section of any video in, it has a dead space cutter. It will cut out any ums, ahs, any dead silences. It will remove all that stuff. Now that's generally the first thing an editor will do with a talking head section, and it takes a long time because previously you'd have to scrub through the footage, looking for the story, making sure you're not missing stuff. But with Firecut you get rid of all the rubbish and you keep all the gold. After that, I use the JCut editor, which adds nice little transitions into my edits. And then Firecut also has a tool that uses AI to add in chapters. Now, I might not use the chapter transition that they use in all my videos. It's nice enough, but it's not really my style. However, it adds the chapters in, which can be exported for SEO on YouTube. It saves a lot of time. Now, some of my clients ask for embedded captions, and that's something, again, that used to take a lot of time. Premiere Pro does an okay job of this, but they're not very stylized, and Firecut adds really trendy looking captions into my videos, burned easy, ready to go, boom, 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 done. Now, I started using Firecut and I was like, this is amazing, but there was still a problem. It didn't just edit the video for me, and that's when I realized that's not what AI is for. AI was not going to replace me as an editor, and it wasn't going to replace the editors that I work with. It was just going to save everybody time. But maybe that's a good thing because then our editors get to keep their jobs. And if these AI tools save us a bunch of time, we can get through more work in a day and make our clients even happier. So as I sat at my desk, I realized that I had almost done a complete first draft of the video and it was only 20 past 10. My mind was racing with like, how much more can I get through in a day? And if I hire an editor, how much more can he or she get through in a day? So now I've kind of returned to my daily schedule and I'm saving 10 to 20% of my time on every single edit, which means I'm getting more edits done every week than I was before because of AI. At the moment, AI can't do great story, it can't film the footage for you, and there's always going to be human intervention. So essentially, it does a lot of the bitch work that nobody wants to do anyway, but it can solve for quality or story. And so we can take some comfort in the fact that, yes, someone who's really good at AI might be able to undercut you or do more than you, but AI itself is not going to replace you. Yet.